Welcome to our Algebra series. In this lesson, we are going to explore monomials, which are the simplest building blocks of algebra. Whether you are just starting out or need a quick refresher, understanding monomials is essential for mastering polynomials later on. So, what exactly is a monomial? The word comes from the Greek prefix mono, meaning one, and the Latin root nomen, meaning name or term. A monomial is an algebraic expression that consists of exactly one term. This term can be a simple real number, a variable, or a product of numbers and variables with whole number exponents. Let's break down the parts of a typical monomial, like negative 7x cubed. First, we have the coefficient, which is the number negative 7. Next is the variable or base, which is x. Finally, we have the exponent or degree, which is 3. Notice how they are all multiplied together to form a single chunk. Monomials can look quite different. The number 12 is a monomial. The single variable y is a monomial. A complex-looking term like negative 5ab squared is also a monomial because it is just multiplication. Even terms with fractions or decimals, like 3/4 x or 0.5 r squared, count as monomials. It is just as important to know what is not a monomial. If you see addition or subtraction, like x plus y, that is a binomial, not a monomial. Also, monomials cannot have negative exponents, variables in the denominator, or variables under a root symbol. Every monomial has a degree. The degree is simply the sum of the exponents of all the variables in that term. For example, in the term 4x squared y to the 5th z, we add the exponents, 2 plus 5 plus 1 for z, giving us a total degree of 8. When we multiply monomials, we use the product rule. First, multiply the numerical coefficients. Then, add the exponents of the like bases. In this example, 3 times 5 gives us 15, and x squared times x to the 4th gives us x to the 6th. Division works similarly but in reverse. We use the quotient rule. First, divide the coefficients. Then, subtract the exponents of the like bases. Here, 20 divided by 4 is 5, and 7 minus 3 leaves us with an exponent of 4. If you need to raise a monomial to a power, you apply the power rule. Raise the coefficient to the outside power and multiply the exponents. For 2y cubed raised to the 4th power, we calculate 2 to the 4th, which is 16, and multiply 3 by 4 to get y to the 12th. Understanding like terms is crucial for addition and subtraction. Like terms must have the exact same variables with the exact same exponents. 3x and negative 5x are like terms. 3x and 3y are unlike terms. Remember, you can only add or subtract terms if they are like terms. Monomials appear frequently in geometry formulas. The area of a square is side squared, which is a monomial of degree 2. The volume of a cube is side cubed, a monomial of degree 3. These are practical examples of monomials describing real-world space. Let's summarize. A monomial is a single-term expression. It must have whole number exponents. You can identify like terms by checking their variables and powers. And finally, understanding these single terms is your first step toward mastering polynomial algebra.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.